I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. I never thought that you would be the one. I couldn't really justify how you even thought it could be right, 'cause everything we cherished is gone. And in the end, can you tell me if it was worth the try, so I can decide? Leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. Try as hard as I might to flee the shadows of the night. It haunts me and it makes me feel blue. But how can I try to hide when every breath and every hour I still end up thinking of you? And in the end, everything we have makes it worth the fight. So I will hold on for as long as the leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. I never thought that I would see the day that I decide if I should leave or stay. But in the end, what makes it worth the fight? That no matter what happens, we try to make it right. Leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Wounds of the past will eventually heal, and all will be alright in time. 'Cause all of this comes with a love that is real. I said all will be alright in time. I said all will be alright in time. I said all will be alright in time. All will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. You learn to forgive. Learn to forgive.
Simulang magbago ang lahat. Kailan nung kami ay di na naging sapat. Ba't di ko ikaw ay kailangan at ikaw ang mahal. Saan nagkulang ang aming pagmamahal? Lahat ay binigay ng mapangiti ka lang. Ba't di ko nakitang nahirapan ka na? Kami ang kasama, pero kailangan mo na siya. Ika'y masaya na sa piling niya. Hindi ko na pipilit pa. Ang tanging hiling ko lang sa kanya, huwag kang paluhain at alagaan ka niya. Marami pa ring tanong na nasa isip ko. Hindi na alam kung alin ang totoo. Ngunit nahirapan ka na rin pala. Kaya habang buhay kitang alaala.
My name is Romy Sandy Mangulos. I am Lola's grandson. Dear Lola, I will miss you how you cleaned the house and cared for us. I will miss how you went with me in Singapore and other abroad organistic trips. I will miss you and how much you made me smile when I was young. I will miss everything about you. Even though we can't talk, I still feel close with you. Even though you aren't with me, I can still see you every day. I wish you the best and I can hope you can go to heaven. You are truly the best Lola ever. Even though you still have a mental illness, I still love you with all my heart.
Good afternoon. My name is Julia Shane Rose. I am Lola's granddaughter. I will be stating my attribute. Dear Lola, I will miss you. I know you're watching me from up there, but your spirit and strength lives on in each of us and the lives you touch with your beauty, wisdom, and kindness of your soul. You were truly one in a million, Grandma. We will love you forever. Your presence has always given joy, a beam of light, happiness. You may not be with us physically, but you will always be with us spiritually. You always make me smile through my bad times. You will never be forgotten, as I wouldn't exist without you. The tradition has been some barriers from communication. The one thing nothing can stop is your love. Thank you.
katapusan. Itong paglalakbay ay makakarating din sa paroroonan. At sa iyong paglisan, ang tanging pabaon ko ay pag-ibig.